Good day, guys. And 3 days ago, I received my salary and I bought cat food for the stray cats. So this one I bought in Almira. This one they like it, seafood flavor. And this one have promo. This one 7 kilos for only 98 reals. And then I also bought this last night, Laila fish. This one 4 kilos. We will just boil this in water with a little salt. Stray cats love this one. This one, Laila fish. May nagpapakain din sa taas eh. Si ate sa 7th floor. So, here's the finished product. This is the 4 kilo fish. Nahimay-himay na yan. So, let's go and let's feed the stray cats down. Very good, very good. The other one, this one. Ubos mo na, baby. Don't fight, ha? Miming, dito ka. Miming, dito ka, sa kabila. Oh. Miming!
Dawa nila maliit na.
Ay, binigyan ko. Hoy, Miming, come here. Come here. Come here. Liga dito. Nandito po. Ayun.
Kumakain.
Ayun, sa kabila. Miming, come. Shhh. Miming. May tinik ko. Come here. Baby, ayun o. Takot. Takaw. Miming, come here. Buti pa to. Lakas kumain ng cat food. At si may buntot ayaw kumain. Gusto lagi ng chicken o kaya fish. Pag cat food ang binibigay ko, ayaw kumain. Mamimili na. Gusto na ng fish. Gusto ng chicken. You don't like cat food na? Ha? Come on, baby na. Eat na din, oh. It's your food, oh. Come on, baby. Hoy, come here. Si Buday, si Buntis, ayaw kumain. Dahil pagkain, halika dito. Come here. Here, oh. Come here. You have cat food, oh. Why you are not eating, ha? Eat na, eat. Eat, okay? Good girl. Eat na. Sige na. Buti pa ito. Very good, oh. Nakakain ng cat food, oh. Si Blackie. Very good. Good girl ka. Good girl. Blackie. Very good ka. Eat ka ng cat food, ha? Very good kayo. Eat ka ng cat food. Here's the other one. The orange one. After, baby, ha? Drink water, okay? Here's the other one. Meow, meow. Hello, baby. How are you? Drink ka ng water after, ha? Ito yung water niya. Then water. Okay? Good girl.